Put a lamp of salt in your bedroom before going to sleep and look what happens. Most people know that salt can harm our health, unless it is consumed in moderation. But did you know that we can take advantage of the healthy benefits of salt using a salt lamp? This is due to the fact that everything in our environment gives off positive and negative ions. Positive ions come from technological devices, such as cell phones, computers and televisions. These are the benefits of having a salt lamp in your bedroom. 1. Purify the air. Manufacturers of salt lamps ensure that these objects emit high concentrations of negatively charged ions, capable of killing the battery. This means they can remove toxins and purify oxygen to make it more breathable. 2. Combat diseases. The electrical pollution that surrounds us every day is a very heavy burden for our immune system, since it increases the blood pressure. In addition, a considerable number of studies suggest that this could cause several types of cancer. Supposedly, salt lamps counteract this dangerous radiation. Even some people claim that the salt lamps help them heal their chronic headaches. 3. Counteract positively charged ions. As already mentioned, we are bombarded with positively charged ions every day. Salt lamps can neutralize them, as they apparently emit good radiation, which in turn can reduce the negative effects of positive ions. 4. They help you feel healthier and more balanced. In addition to the possibility of eliminating bacteria and positively charged ions, salt lamps contain 84 different minerals that can increase your sense of well-being. You will simply feel better inside and out. 5. They give you energy. Negatively charged ions not only improve your health, also favor the blood risk of the brain. This makes you feel more awake and helps you concentrate. Therefore, your reaction capacity increases. And a healthy mind has a positive effect on the body, which makes your life more enjoyable at all times. 6. They help you sleep better. If you place a salt lamp in your bedroom, its negatively charged minerals and ions will help you fall asleep faster and have a deep, restful sleep. After using it regularly, check to see if you have more energy during the